हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम यहाँ पे जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया का जो लीगल ऑफिसर की जो पोस्ट है उसमें अपन नेशनल लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी के एमसीक्यू सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। आज का जो टॉपिक है हमारा नेशनल लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी। इसके पहले भी अपन ने बहुत सारे वीडियोस बना के रखे हैं, वो भी आप देख लीजिएगा ताकि आपके जो क्वेश्चन का डाउट है वो और भी क्लियर हो जाए। ओके, जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लो ताकि नोटिफिकेशन थ्रू आपको वीडियोस जो है वो डायरेक्टली मिल जाए, क्योंकि इसके बाद अपन इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस भी सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे, द नेशनल लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी एक्ट 1987 was enacted to, answer is, provide free legal aid to the poor. Next, second, under the National Legal Service Authority Act 1987, the legal services are provided free of charge to, answer is, only the poor, disadvantaged and marginalized section of society. Next, third, the National Legal Service Authority, okay, was established under, answer is, section 4 of the National Legal Service Authority Act 1987. Next, fourth, the President of India appoint the chairman of National Legal Service Authority, who must be, answer is, a sitting or retired Chief Justice of India. Okay. Next, fifth, under the National Legal Service Authority Act 1987, the function of providing legal service is carried out through, तो देखिए, लोक अदालत, फ्री लीगल एड प्रोग्राम, लीगल लिटरेसी कंपेन, मींस आंसर आएगा ऑल ऑफ द अबव। नेक्स्ट, 6, the National Legal Service Authority is responsible for, answer is, देखिए, establishing legal aid clinic, second, formulating guideline for legal service, third, encouraging लोक अदालत and organizing legal literacy program, तो आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next, 7th, the composition of National Legal Service Authority include, तो देखिए, the Chief Justice of India, Judge of Supreme Court and member of from various state legislative service authority, आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next, 8, the National Legal Service Authority Act 1987 provide for the creation of legal services authorities which are responsible for, तो देखिए, providing legal assistance to underprivileged people, then second, organizing lok adalat, and third, ensuring access to justice at district level, तो आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next, 9th, the State Legal Service Authority is responsible for, आंसर देखिए, organizing awareness program on legal rights, second, providing legal service to citizen in needs, and third, establishing a mechanism for lok adalat, आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next, 10th, lok adalat under the National Legal Service Authority Act are primarily intended to, answer is, resolve dispute through mediations and compromise. Next, 11th, under the National Legal Service Authority Act, legal aid is provided to which of the following group of people, तो देखिए, women, children, scheduled caste and tribe, तो आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next, 12th, which of the following is eligible for free legal service under the National Legal Service Authority Act, answer is, a person with an annual income less than 1 lakh. Next, 13, the National Legal Service Authority is authorized to provide legal services to, answer is, person facing criminal charges, second, person in prison or detention, third, victim of natural disaster, आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next, 14, the type of legal service available under the National Legal Service Authority Act include, आंसर देखिए, representation in court, second, counseling and legal advice, third, assistant for preparation of legal document, आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next, 15, Which of the following is not included in the scope of legal service provided under the National Legal Service Authority Act? तो आंसर है रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन इलेक्शंस। तो देखिए क्रिमिनल डिफेंस सर्विस होता है, सिविल लिटिगेशन असिस्टेंट एंड लीगल एड टू प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट, ओके, लेकिन रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ इलेक्शंस नहीं होता है। नेक्स्ट 16, लोक अदालत आर मैकेनिज्म फॉर, राइट आंसर इज mediations between parties to settle dispute. Next 17, which of the following can be referred to Lok Adalat for settlement under the National Legal Service Authority Act? Answer is civil and revenue case, second family dispute, and third pre-legislation matter. Answer आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next 18, the settlement reached in Lok Adalat is, answer is binding on the parties and enforceable like a court decrees. Next 19, Lok Adalat can only settle, answer is both civil and compoundable criminal cases. Next 20, which of the following type of dispute cannot be settled through Lok Adalat under National Legal Service Authority Act? Answer is cases under Indian Penal Code, means IPC. Next 21, the funding for National Legal Service Authority and its various program primarily come from, answer is both central and state government. Next 22, the National Legal Service Authority is empowered to, तो देखिए, make rule and regulation for implementation of act, second create awareness about legal literacy, third issue directives to state legal service authority. तो आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next 23, the tenure of the chairman of National Legal Service Authority is, answer is 5 years. Next 24, state legal service authority are required to submit report to, answer is the National Legal Service Authority. Next 25, which of the following is a function of state legal service authority? देखिए, promote legal literacy program, second implementation legal aid to program at state level, third organize लोक अदालत. तो आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next 26, one of the key objective of National Legal Service Authority Act is to ensure, the answer is access to justice for all, and second legal representation for every citizen. तो आंसर आएगा both A and B. Next 27, which of the following is considered a challenge in implementation of legal aid program under National Legal Service Authority Act? तो देखिए, lack of awareness among public legal service, second insufficient for legal aid program, third overburden court leading to the delay in justice. तो आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे all of the above. Next 28, the National Legal Service Authority Act 1987 is an example of, answer is a social welfare law. Next 29, in the case of the state of Himachal Pradesh versus Himachal Pradesh v. Umed Ram, the Supreme Court held that provision of National Legal Service Act applied to. The answer is all matter including both civil and criminal. Next 30, the legal aid provided under National Legal Service Authority Act aim to. Answer is promote fairness in legal proceeding, second prevent the abuse of the legal system, third ensure equal access to justice. तो आंसर आएगा all of the above. Next 31, the National Legal Service Authority Act 1987 came into force on. तो आंसर is 5th September 1987. Next 32, under the National Legal Service Authority Act, which of the following is group explicitly excluded from receiving legal service? The answer is a person earning more than 1 lakh per annum. Okay. Next, 33. Which of the following is not a role of National Legal Service Authority? Answer is resolving criminal dispute. Next, 34. Under the National Legal Service Authority of 1987, who can be appointed as member of Lok Adalat? Answer is retired judge, then lawyer within minimum number of year experience, and district magistrate. तो आंसर आएगा all of the above. Next, 35. Which of the following activities specifically mentioned under National Legal Service Authority Act 1987 for improving public access to local aid? Answer is establishment of permanent Lok Adalat, second, establishment of free legal aid clinic, and third, dissemination of legal knowledge through pamphlets and workshop. Answer आएगा all of the above. Next, 36. The primary aim of National Legal Service Authority is to answer is provide affordable legal services. Next, 37. Who determine the eligibility for legal aid under National Legal Service Authority? The answer is the State Legal Service Authority. Next, 38. The National Legal Service Authority Act empower the State Legal Service Authority to answer is represent individual in court, second, select eligible person for legal aid, and third, establish Lok Adalat for dispute resolution. तो आंसर आएगा all of the above. Next, 39. Under National Legal Service Authority Act, a person seeking legal aid is to entitled to. The answer is legal representation in civil, criminal, and family matters. Next, 40. The National Legal Service Authority Act 1987 come force in which year? The answer is 1987. Next, 41. Which of the following is the key objective of National Legal Service Authority? The answer is provide free legal service to marginalized and disadvantaged. Next, 42. The National Legal Service Authority Act mandate that legal services are provided without charge to a person whom are. The answer is above the age of 65, below the poverty line, and incarcerated. The answer is all of the above. Next, 43. Which of the following group is eligible for free legal service under National Legal Service? So scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, women and children. तो आंसर आएगा all of the above. Next, 44. Under the National Legal Service Authority Act 1987, Lok Adalat is a forum for, right? The answer is mediation and settlement of dispute. Next, 45. The decision taken by Lok Adalat are, answer is binding and enforceable as decree of court. Next, 46. Which of the following is true regarding the composition of State Legal Service Authority? Answer is it consists of Chief Justice of State High Court at the pattern in chief. Next, 47. Which of the following key function of District Legal Service Authority? Answer is providing legal aid and assistance to the underprivileged. Next, 48. The National Legal Service Authority providing funding for. So answer is establishing Lok Adalat. Second, legal aid service at district level. Third, legal literacy campaign and program. तो आंसर आएगा all of the above. Next, 49. Who is eligible to be appointed as a member of Lok Adalat? तो देखिए retired judge of Supreme Court or High Court. Second, senior advocate or member of the bar. Then third, a social worker or public spirited person. And answer all of the above. Next, 50. The National Legal Service Authority Act has been significant step in ensuring access to justice, particularly for answer is marginalized and vulnerable group in society. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो रहेगा वो अपना सब्जेक्ट वाइज एमसीक्यूज प्लस मॉक पेपर एंड इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.